Hi everyone. Sometimes the most interesting tools are the ones people start talking about before they even exist in full form. Seedance 2.0 is currently in that exact moment. There hasn't been an official release yet, no full breakdown, no detailed technical presentation. And yet, creators, filmmakers, and AI enthusiasts are already paying close attention. Why? Because the early signals suggest something bigger than just another update. This isn't simply about new features, it's about direction. It's about where generative video might be heading next. If you visit the current Sedance 2.0 page, the presentation is strikingly minimal. There's the product name, a note about the upcoming launch, an early access option, and a bold emphasis on a new level of AI video. That simplicity feels intentional. Instead of overwhelming visitors with technical terminology, the focus shifts toward visual storytelling, toward scenes, toward atmosphere, toward cinematic language, and that choice alone says a lot. It suggests that Sedance 2.0 isn't positioning itself as just a video generator. It appears to be aiming at something closer to a creative production tool, a system built not only to generate clips, but to construct moments that feel staged, intentional, and connected. The official teaser reinforces this impression. Even without detailed explanations, the emphasis becomes clear within seconds. Movement. The camera doesn't just exist, it moves with purpose. It glides, it frames subjects deliberately. Scenes feel spatial, they feel composed, characters behave more naturally, their gestures feel less mechanical, their motion feels more grounded. These are short fragments, yes, but they hint at something important. They hint at generative video becoming more aligned with the visual language of cinema and animation. And that alignment is where the excitement truly begins. If you look at community discussions, you'll notice a pattern. Different users from different backgrounds are all hoping for similar improvements, better motion consistency, more stable characters, and scenes that feel logically connected instead of randomly assembled. These have long been the core challenges of AI video. Generating a single impressive frame is one thing. Maintaining coherence across time is something entirely different. When demonstrations begin to suggest progress in those areas, attention increases rapidly. The example generations that have surfaced showcase various styles and environments. Some feel realistic, others lean toward a stylized animation. But across all of them, there's a shared direction. Movement within the frame feels more confident. The camera behaves like an active participant in the scene, not just a static observer. Lighting feels intentional. Composition feels structured. The results don't resemble random sequences stitched together. They resemble constructed scenes. Even brief clips start to feel like fragments of a larger narrative. One particularly noticeable improvement appears in character consistency. As characters move, their proportions remain stable. Facial structures don't distort unexpectedly. Clothing details persist across frames, and that continuity changes everything. When a character remains recognizable from moment to moment, the illusion strengthens. The viewer stops focusing on technical flaws and starts engaging with the scene itself. Subtle consistency often has the biggest impact on perception. Some demonstrations also reveal more complex staging. Camera paths curve through space. Objects interact naturally. Foreground and background elements move independently. There's depth, there's layering. It creates the sensation of a dimensional environment rather than a flat animated surface. If these demonstrations accurately represent the underlying system, this could mark a meaningful step forward for generative video. The workflow shown in previews also deserves attention. In the Higgsfield interface, the process appears straightforward. Source materials are added. A textual description is defined. The system processes the input, and the video output is generated. On the surface, that may sound familiar, but the difference lies in the results. The pipeline begins to resemble a traditional creative workflow. An idea moves from concept to structured execution. There are also indications that Seedance 2.0 may be evolving toward multimodal generation. That would mean integrating multiple input types, text, image references, video samples, and possibly audio, into a single unified system. If that direction continues,